So it's brewing day again, and I'm decanting a fresh wort kit into my corny keg, which I'm using as a fermenter. Now, normally this is actually quite a messy process, this decanting, but what I've done is I've got a spare cap from another fresh wort kit. I've drilled a hole in it and I've put in a duo-tight bulkhead connector. Then what I've done is I've basically tipped the bag up so the cap is pointing upwards. I've undone its cap, pulled out its seal, and then I've screwed this on and I've put in a beer line. And this beer line is going to the beer disconnect of the corny, and I've both opened up the pressure relief and I've got a gas disconnect there just to relieve the pressure as well. This is probably the cleanest I've ever decanted one of these because of this system. Normally it's quite tricky. You've got to actually get it to pour into there, and a corny keg's quite a small aperture, so it's actually fairly tricky. This takes a lot longer, but yes, it's much cleaner and very much recommended. So if you're either decanting into small orifice containers, or if you, say, wanted to just do half of this because you have a small fermenter, then this is a great way to go because it is just so non-spill and it's very easy to stop it. All I would need to do is just tilt the bag back up and the flow would stop because the line only goes in about 10 centimetres. So if I tip this up right such that this cap was pointing towards the ceiling, then the flow would actually stop. So it's a great little trick. It certainly made my decanting day much cleaner and much more pleasant. And this is the fresh wort bag. After the process is pretty much completed, there's no more liquid coming out. Give it a bit of a squeeze, nothing coming out. It's all good. Yep. Doing a fresh wort kit has never been so clean and easy for me. It's a great little trick. Duo tighten the lid.